Hey guys, today in this video I'll be showing you a cement project. Believe me, it's gonna be really interesting, and all the materials that I'm gonna use here are easily available to most of you. So yeah, let's get started. Follow the same steps. Fill it up, leave it undisturbed for a day or two. Wow, isn't it? So this is how I finally got it. It's looking really good. So yeah, you can now make your own potters as well. Place it in water for 1 or 2 days. Wow, isn't it? So you can make your own color preferences, you can choose your own molds, you can make any kind of flower potters in the same size as you wish. So yeah, this is mine. So now it's time to plant. Yay! So finally we are done with it. So yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say about the video, questions or suggestions, please don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Thank you.